A press conference by the State Electricity Company, or PLN, was conducted today to discuss electric vehicles ecosystem.
PLN has now prepared 600 charging stations, which will be spread out not only at PLN's offices and locations, but also at several public facilities.
And for more on this issue, we are connected with Andira Putri and video journalist Dian Merdekawati. Andira, what do you have for us?
Yes, hello Paul, Hans, and Krizia. So we're at the State Electricity Company, or PLN headquarters at South Jakarta, and behind me is the charging station. There is a car behind there which charge its battery, which is one among 600 charging stations that has been prepared for the PLN to help Indonesia gradually transform into the electric vehicles ecosystem. So like what you have been mentioned before, this charging stations is available at several of PLN offices, but aside from that, it also available to some of the public facilities such as shopping malls as well as office. So for more details regarding the charging station itself, here is the statement from the President Director of PLN, Darmawan Prasojo.
Kemudian untuk SPKLU saat ini sudah ada 600 SPKLU, dan tentu saja kami tadi pertanyaannya franchising-nya seperti apa. Ini tentu saja kalau kita franchising kan harus bekerjasama dengan pihak ketiga. Jadi kami mengakui SPKLU ini kami tidak punya tempat parkir yang strategis. Yang punya tempat parkir strategis ya mall, ya kantor-kantor, ya bank-bank, kedai kopi, fast food restoran itu punya tempat parkir yang strategis. Nah, untuk itu kami membangun waralaba, franchising, nah investasi dan lain detailnya mungkin nanti akan ada acara khusus untuk ini.
It basically has similar functions such as the gas station. Oh, there's a car behind me. I think it's about to also charge its electricity, its battery. So for the charging station, like I mentioned before, it's some kind of like the gas station. So for the cars to charge its battery, but aside from that, there is also the battery swapping station, which usually applicable for motorcycle, where they could just swap their battery with different batteries. So there are already available 1,000 in Indonesia. And aside from that, there is also the public electricity supply station, which it's not only for electric vehicles, but also to other kinds of electricity, which are already available, 6,700. And this year, the PLN itself also targeted until 12,000. So in here, like there's one of the cars in here is actually about to charge its electricity in the charging station. So this is actually really exciting because it means that it didn't only some kind of like a statement, because there's already a practice in here, all the Indonesian citizens some of them already gradually turning into making it into the electric vehicle ecosystem. So this is actually some kind of like a surprise also for us, but it is also some kind of proof that yes, Indonesia is gradually met it. So for the details regarding the incentive, it already, during the press conference, it's already been mentioned by the State-Owned Enterprises Bank that they would also help this with the incentive. So what we know so far is that from the Indonesia government, they will have the 7 million rupiah incentive for motorcycle as announced on Monday. However, for the cars itself, it's still undecided. So during the brief, like several days ago, President Joko Widodo had a meeting with some of the ministers, and after the meetings, speaking to the press, some of them stated that it's still undecided on whether they would, about the incentive for the cars itself. But what we know so far is that the implementations will take place on the 20th of March, and after the 20th of March, the PLN itself also will help you to be able to purchase the electric vehicles, the cars, and the motorcycles through an application, through their application, and the discount will automatically take place from that. So once again, it's really exciting. The car is still charging in here beside me. Such a nice surprise, but it's a proof that Indonesia once again is ready to turn into the electric vehicle ecosystem. Back to the studio.
All right, thank you, Andira and Dian. And I thought they set that up quite nicely with somebody coming into charge just as she was doing her report. But I guess, yeah, people are starting to use these charging stations. And people have been waiting for this for a long time. So we were all waiting for electric cars. But the next question would be, are there going to be enough charging stations? Well, there's your answer. There's going to be hundreds of them now available everywhere. So hope that certainly helps speed up the process for electrification.